All right, y'all, the day has finally come. The day has finally come. We're finally gonna get new shoes for the B58 540i. Stock looks pretty clean. The car itself looks pretty clean. I just washed it, but unfortunately it freaking rained today, so now it's a little dirty, but that's okay. I'm gonna just hit it with another wash when I get the new wheels on. But yeah, man, I'm super excited. It's been a long time coming. Been running these stock wheels for about a year, and no, the car is not leaking. That's just, you know, AC and also residue from it being raining and me driving on the street. You get the point. But yeah, finally getting new wheels on the 540i. We're about to go pick them up. Hopefully we can record at the actual shop. Hopefully they're chill to allow us to record. But yeah, man, it's about that time. It's been a long time coming, so stay tuned and appreciate y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, we gone. I probably haven't told y'all where I got the rims from, but we got them from Alibaba. So let's see, hopefully that's a good product. They had really good reviews and all that. They seem very reputable. 3 years plus in business, so let's see. One way to find out. But let's go ahead and put these windows down. Go ahead and, you know, throw that puppy in sport mode. Never gets old, man, I swear. Never gets old. I haven't done any mods to it yet, but that's soon to come. Oh man, you gotta love it. But yeah, man, trying to get refunded for my headlights because they're slightly defective. Sadly, they're defective because I really like them, but I'm trying to get refunded for that. I think I'm going back OEM, and then I'm finna just use that money to get a downpipe, and then the engine build will be starting. But yeah, I'm excited for the engine build, but at the same time, I don't know, once you start throwing parts in the car, into the engine and stuff, anything is possible, so we're just hoping for the best. But yeah, man, this thing's gonna sound crazy when we get the engine mods, downpipe, all that good stuff. It already sounds a little crazy right now. But alright, y'all, I'm gonna tap in with y'all when I get to pretty much the store to get the wheels installed. Alright, y'all, we got all 4 rims in the car, 1 tire in the front, and then 1 in the back. Get you a 540i, man.
A few minutes later.
All right, y'all, this is what she looks after getting the shoes installed. We got 10s on the back, and then we got 9s in the front. I still gotta put on some hubcaps. That's up next. But let me know what y'all think, man. Let me know how y'all feel, you know, about it. How y'all think she looks. This is the after. Ride safe, man. Be safe. Thank you. Gotta show appreciation. He did my rims. Shout out to that boy. You know, got me situated. What I was concerned about is the TPMS sensor, but swapped them from the old tires, put them on the new ones, and they work just fine, man. Got the old rims and tires right here. The boys gave me some bags to not dirty up the interior. I appreciate them. Yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Build coming along slowly but surely. Lowering next, and then eventually downpipe, tune, all that good stuff coming up. Some people are probably gonna be like, damn, why didn't you do downpipe, tune, all that first? If I'm being honest, for me, it's like, I like to look at my car. Yeah, I like to go fast and everything, but if I daily it, like realistically, how fast do I need to go? If I take it to the track, then it's a little different, you feel me? But I just be chilling, bro. I'm not racing, street racing or anything, so I'm gonna take my time, build it, try to, you know, do it as right as possible. Because also when you start building, things start going, you know, left with your car, and then you don't have a daily. I don't have a second car right now, you know, planning to get a manual car soon. But if you start building your engine, you gotta make sure that you do it right. Because if you don't do it right, it breaks. And if that's your daily, you can't get around, nah. So I've been a little hesitant, but you know, this is the almighty B58. So I'm gonna tune it soon. Hopefully all goes well with that. Appreciate y'all for watching, man. Let me know what y'all think about the whip down below in the comment section, or about the wheels, what y'all think about them. They're from Alibaba. I'm gonna ride around with them for a little bit, you know, see how I like them, see how they pretty much drive and all that good stuff. It balanced out pretty neat, but yeah, now we just basically gotta drive it, you feel me? So appreciate y'all for watching, man. Love, love, love. Peace.
Bye, have a great time.